Well guys, welcome back to another BAW YouTube episode. Today we are doing Bendix Big Brake Upgrade Kit for the 70 series. So just going to quickly run you through what the kit entails and a little bit about it. So we'll start at the front. We have these cool big 6-pot calipers that go on the front. So this is a direct replacement. Everything will bolt straight onto the front knuckle there. The rotor that comes in the Bendix kit is a bigger diameter than the factory one, so you get that slightly better cooling. They are slotted, they do have dimples in them. They will stop, and look, as Brent hands me the rear one, oh, they're a bit heavy, but you can see the size difference there. So you get a massive upgrade in surface area of where the actual brake pads are clamping onto. The rears, they are now being upgraded to a 4-pot caliper. So get rid of the old ones, bolt these ones on, and then they are all ceramic brake pads. I'm not sure 100% on what the material of the rotors are, but yeah, you can just type the part number into Burson, so you can get replacement brake pads through them, nice and easy. Another thing that's part of the kit is you get your braided lines. So you get your front lines, your middle lines, and then your rear lines, just because the fitting on the caliper is slightly different. It's not just a standard size one, so it's just basically a banjo fitting with a couple of crush washers that'll go on there. And then you also get brake fluid from Bendix, your brake clean, and then these cool little carry boxes for it. So follow along with us and we'll carry you through the way to fit these and the whole process of how to do it. And then we will run through some figures on your actual stopping distances and how they change from factory to the upgrade kit. Me talking to him yelling things at me pumping, me holding, me relaxing. That sounded a bit weird, didn't it? I'm pumping the brake. That's what I'm pumping at the moment anyway. So guys, as you can probably hear, I'm pumping up the brakes, bleeding them. So yeah, holding. Josh is just cracking every nipple. Yes, there's air tools to do it and whatnot. We have found the best way and the easiest way is just have someone outside the car. We'll start at the furthest nipple away from the master cylinder. We'll just pump through a heap until we see nice clean fluid coming through. Tighten it up, pump the brake pedal, hold your foot on the brake pedal before you release nipple. Release it and just do that until you stop seeing air come through your clear bleeder tube. Look, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people to say there's easier ways or better ways, or you should do it this way. That's just the way that we have found has worked for us. We like it. Holding, and yeah, it just works, so that's why we do it. And then I'll go for a test drive. Once we have done this, chuck the wheels back on. You can see holding, can see the front brakes are on, rear brakes are on, so pretty keen to see how these work. Seems like a good kit, easy to bolt on. Had to do a few modifications with the backing plate. That was about it. There was no grinding of any factory knuckles or mounting points for the calipers. It all just bolted straight on. Pads just went straight in. Brake lines all went straight on. So yeah, very straightforward, easy kit. Righto, so brakes are done. We bled all the brakes. I've just gone for a quick drive, just doing the general bed-in procedure. It's basically start at 0, get your way up to 80, do some heavy braking down to about 10-20 k's an hour. Don't completely stop. If you completely stop, sometimes you can leave a brake pad, I suppose it'll impregnate into the actual material of the disc. So what you want to do is just come to like a rolling stop and then go again, go for a bit more of a drive, let them cool down. You by no means want to boil the brakes as such and get them like red hot glowing. I have been told about these Bendix ones, the brake pads do have like a braking in under normal driving operation type setup. They do come with like just a protective coating on the rotors when they ship them, just to protect them, stop them from rusting, obviously, because they're steel particles in them. But yeah, just go for a general drive, do some heavy braking, see what your stops are, get comfortable. Obviously the pedal's going to feel a little bit different. This does have a dual diaphragm brake booster in it from when we did the J-Max conversion kit. So yeah, you'll get a long spongy pedal because you're using less effort to push the pedal down, but you're getting more braking power. But so far I'm very, very impressed with the kit. This car's about 4 tonne. We did put it on our scales. It's a little over 4 tonne and it's stopping quite quickly. So very, very impressed with this kit. And then I suppose a little breakdown of what our actual distances are over stock and what they are with the new front and rear brake up kit. That's pretty much it with this Bendix brake upgrade. Follow us on all the socials. Don't forget we do have our new shed at Eagle Farm. We got the shop up and running, so come in, say hello. If you want to come buy something, we got basically everything in there. But yeah, don't be shy. And thank you again for watching.